Good afternoon and welcome to my GCSE Foundation Maths Revision question of the day, and this is number 3. This is question 16 from May 23, paper 1F from Edexcel, and it's worth 2 marks. Here is a list of ingredients for making 20 biscuits. Harry wants to make 60 biscuits. How much flour does Harry need? So we're only interested in flour in this question. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set up my little relationship over here so that 20 biscuits is equal to 250 grams. And again, this is just the flour that I'm looking at. I like to build it up by doubling. This is proportional reasoning. I'm a massive fan of doubling, multiplying by 10, dividing by 10. Anything that's nice and easy that I can just quickly do in my head. What I notice is that if I add together 20 and 40 biscuits, I end up getting 60 biscuits. So if I add together 250 and 500 grams, I get 750 grams. So I know that Harry needs 750 grams for his 60 biscuits. There's one mark for the answer. And there's a mark for the method however you do it. This was my method, but there are many others that would get that mark as well. Thank you very much. If proportional reasoning is something that you'd like to focus on, I'm actually running a revision day on Saturday the 19th of April, online between 10 and 4 p.m. and it's all about proportional reasoning, fractions, ratios, percentages and compound measures. Thank you very much.